Ameriworks ESD tile provides excellent electrical protection with an attractive appearance that enhances any working or manufacturing environment. Processing agents, directional marks from the tile finishing machine, on-site conditions and/or installation or construction debris can mar the surface of the tile, leaving newly installed Ameriworks ESD vinyl tile with a shaded or checkerboard appearance. The shading or checkerboarding will completely disappear once the floor is properly cleaned using the recommended cleaning procedures and StaticWorks cleaning products shown in this video. With the initial cleaning process and routine cleaning, there is never a need for ESD polish or wax. Please note, allow the floor 48 hours for the adhesive to set properly before performing any cleaning procedures. StaticWorks approves only the following initial cleaning methods and procedures. Other methods and procedures may cause suboptimal electrical performance and/or poor visual appearance. Never at any time buff Ameriworks tile in excess of 375 RPM. Floors are slippery when wet. Care must be taken to prevent slips or falls. Appropriate barriers to wet areas and warning/caution placards should always be used. Begin by sweeping or dust mopping the floor to remove any large debris. Never use oil-treated dust mops. Dilute StaticWorks EcoScrub degreaser 1 part degreaser to 10 parts water. Use cool, clean water and apply liberally. Do not flood the floor. Allow the solution to set for 4 to 5 minutes before moving to the next step. Using a StaticWorks initial deep scrub pad, agitate the floor thoroughly using a low-speed rotary machine or automatic scrubber. To enhance cleaning, place a standard red or white pad under the initial deep scrub pad before beginning the scrubbing process. 5 to 6 slow passes are required to properly deep scrub the floor. Be sure plenty of solution remains on the floor while you scrub. Remove the solution with a wet vacuum, automatic scrubber or a microfiber mop and bucket. Rinse with clear water only. Allow the floor to dry completely before moving on. The floor should have a uniform matte surface. If it does not, do not proceed. Repeat step 1 or contact StaticWorks for further guidance. Next, place the StaticWorks natural hair pad on a low-speed buffing machine. Using the trigger sprayer on mist setting, mist the area to be cleaned with StaticWorks Formula 2020. Using a low-speed buffing machine, evenly distribute Formula 2020 over the intended area, about 10 feet by 10 feet at a time. Then begin the buffing action. Work the solution in evenly with one initial pass of the buffer per row of tile to create a level surface. Buff the area using an even back and forth motion. Be sure to buff in any stray drips. 5 to 6 passes per row should properly clean the surface. Take extra passes to assure complete surface uniformity. Continue until the floor is dry. To avoid swirl lines and drawing airborne dust or particulate into the floor surface, the floor must be completely dry. For optimal appearance, repeat the process. StaticWorks cleaning and finishing products and buffing pads are available from StaticWorks. For more information, please call 617 923 2000. StaticWorks. We keep you grounded.